Do the lab hands-on recap for the loading model and the interface with Hugging Face interface. So we install the torch and the transformer from Hugging Face. Then we import the library. Then we load the tokenizer and the model we want to use. Then we input the context and make the tokenizer, which have the input IDs and the attention mask. Then we put into input into the model. You can use this, or you can use this one. So the no grade means like we don't do the gradient because we don't need to update the context parameters. We just make the predictions. So the result is the 0 and 1. Then we can see the output is positive because we have the index 1 has the higher value. Okay, the second one, test generation with GPT-2. The same, we load the GPT-2 tokenizer model, and we start from once upon a time, and we use the PyTorch. Then we get a result with the ID. Here. So we convert the ID embedding space to the wording. So it will be here. Once upon a time the word was the blah 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 and blah blah blah, but it's not good model. It keep repeating. It's okay. Then let's try the pipeline to streamline the efficiency to use the just simple 2 line of code. So here is the description of the parameters you can use with the pipeline. So I skip this. You will have the task model, future, this one. Okay, so let's try the first one. Load the model and do the test. Then result is the same, positive. Example 2, we use the language detection. So the same, we load the model and token. Then we input bonjour, comment ça va, and it reply to French. Then another pipeline is GPT-2. We use the test generation once upon a time, so we get the same answer. Once upon a time, my family and I were blah 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 blah. Okay. The next one is use T5, the translations. So again, we load and we do the test. How are you? Then generate test is comment ça va? Comment êtes-vous? Okay, next one is the exercise, which is very interesting. Fill a mask, which means like we use this surrounding test to predict this one. This should be Paris, right? So let's check the result. The bird. So the result is, hold a second, let me print here. So the sequence capital is tools. It's wrong, it should be Paris, but anyway, you get the idea. Okay, thank you for the IBM. Ciao.